Hey kiddos, this activity is called Money Time. Your pages will look basically like this on each one. The numbers will be a little bit different. This one says John had enough pennies, nickels, and dimes to make 17 cents in 6 different ways. Complete the chart, show 6 different ways John made 17 cents. So they did the first line for us and they gave us 17 pennies. Because as we all know, a penny is worth 1 cent. Now real quick, ask yourself, how much does a nickel cost? I'll write it in here. A nickel is worth 5. How much does a dime cost? And a dime is worth 10. Okay, so we'll want to keep that in mind as we do this. But we can kind of start thinking about how can we swap out some of these pennies to include nickels and dimes. So let's just say, what if we changed this and we had 1 nickel and we didn't have any dimes? How many pennies would we have? Well, if a nickel is worth 5, we would take those 5 cents out of our pennies, which would leave 12, right? What if we wanted 2 nickels? Still no dimes. Well, 2 nickels would be 10 cents, right? We're doing 5 twice. So if we got 10 cents in nickels and we need 17 cents total, how many pennies would that be? That would be 7. What if we had 3 nickels? Now counting by 5s, that'd be 5, 10, 15 cents. So obviously no room for dimes. 15 cents out of 17 cents. How much would be left after that? We would be down to 2 in pennies, right? What else could we do? We haven't used a dime yet. What if we throw a dime in? Let's do 1 dime. Let's say no nickels. If a dime is worth 10 and we got 17 cents total, how much is left after using that dime? How many pennies would we need? Oopsies, it's an odd looking 7. It'd be 7, right? And then lastly, let's say we had 1 of each. 1 dime, 1 nickel. That'd be 10 cents with the dime, 5 cents with the nickel, so that together would be 15. So if we got 15 cents there, 17 cents total, how much would be left over? That would be 2. So that looks pretty good for my chart. 17 cents, all of them done differently. Now, underneath that, I'm not going to do this part. This is what you can do on your chart. But this is where you are going to find the total number of pennies, total number of nickels, total number of dimes in each, for everything all together. So I would add up all these numbers to give me my answer here. I'd add up all these numbers for my nickels, add up all these. Well, that one's not 2, I only have 2. So I'd have 2 there. And then lastly, I would figure out how much money I had in all. Well, think about that. There's 17 cents in each row, right? So I would want to do 17 cents 6 times. So 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17. And that gives you my total money, okay? So the bottom part here is you're finding your totals. First for your coins, and then for all the money. So take your time, do a good job, and I hope you guys enjoy this one.